Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed. We're gonna do momentum board first thing. Let's see. I ended up doing 10 listings for $230 yesterday. I don't know why I put a slash there. It's not what I've been doing. There we go. 10 for $230. And let's go pull some eBay sales. Let's go pull some eBay orders. Got some pretty good day yesterday because I had some auctions ending. All right, we have a few of these statues going out. See, that's Catwoman in there. I really enjoyed taking those photos, as y'all know. She sold for $77 plus shipping, so that was a pretty good one. And then this guy right here, Batman Arkham City statue, sold for $59.99 plus shipping. That was a good one. I'm happy with how these statue things are turning out for sure. Okay, we're gonna pull some of these cards while we're back here. These Beauty and the Beast cards sold for $8.24 plus shipping right here. Then we have some Cinderella cards that sold right here. Make sure these are all the same. Yeah, they are. Yeah, $5.24 plus shipping for these. Then these these James Bond 007 cards sold for $4.49 plus shipping, which is good to see because I have, as you can tell, I have quite a few of those decks in here. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, they're small sales, I guess, but they're still good. That's like $17, not including shipping right there. So I'm happy with that. This is another one of those statues. The auction ended yesterday. This one is really cool. It's like a flying Batman kind of thing. I'm not going to take it out because y'all can see the photo. But yeah, it's really neat. Oh, $114.50 plus shipping on top. Really good sale here. Okay, a couple of Hot Wheels that are going out. This is actually pretty cool. This is a Pantera. There was a kid in my high school. His dad was a doctor, like a cardiologist, and they had a Pantera. This is like in the late 80s, early 90s. They had a Pantera, and it was the coolest thing. He would bring it to school sometimes. He would let him drive it to school. But anyways, yeah, $4.99 plus shipping on top for this. This actually went out to a viewer, Randall. So Randall, thanks, man. I hope you enjoy. I think that one's pretty cool. And thanks for watching and for the order, of course. The other Hot Wheels vehicle that was bought is, or this is actually an auction, CJ7 Jeep, $4.99 plus shipping. Now, there have been a lot of other Hot Wheels that have sold, but the people haven't paid yet. A lot of them are waiting on other cars to finish. When I've looked at the winners of these auctions that I've had, they look like a lot of solid buyers. I really think they're just waiting. Some of them have told me they're waiting on other ones to end, and I have them ending over the next couple of days. So then I'll be able to kind of reevaluate what we're going to do, you know, relist all the ones that don't sell, which should be a lot. I should probably have, at the end of this first run, I'll probably have somewhere around 80-90 cars left that I'll have to run again. And then, you know, probably run a couple of times and then see what I have left and go from there. But yeah, we have one more order to pull. It's a bunch of things, though. Well, this was a nice little surprise of an order that came in late last night. I think it was the last thing I sold. Somebody came along and bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 games, which is awesome. That's actually like a pretty good percentage of what I have left here, as you can see. Let's look at what's sold here. All right, Phantom Fighters sold for $7.99 plus shipping. Then Little League Baseball right here sold for $8.99 plus shipping. I'll stop saying plus shipping on this order. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom sold for $7.99. Look, that's like, it's got like a rental sticker on it or something. Baseball Stars 2, this is a pretty good one, $16.99. Archon sold for $9.99. Roller Games, $5.99. Shingen the Ruler, $7.99. Nobunga's Ambition, $11.99. Codename Viper, $4.99. And finally, Cobra Command, $4.99. And I think that's it for today. Let me double check. Yep, that is it. Although I'm kind of cooking up a deal for some die-cast cars I've had for a long time, some budgie cars. So hopefully I'll be showing y'all those tomorrow if we can get a deal cut. About to do the live stream here in a minute on Justin's channel, RVA Flips, and then tomorrow it'll be on mine. But yeah, look, I got everything loaded up either on or in my cart and ready for shipping. That's how I've been doing it. Like, I put it in the drawers. Nice sales. Nice sales. Going to be a good start to the day. Okay, these are the packages going out today. Get some light on the situation. There we go. Yeah, nice. Actually, today is some bigger stuff because these are figures here. What do I have? I have 3 of those figures. Oh, the other box is 10 NES games. That's right. And then 2 cars, then some cards, and then some cards. That's right. So yeah, it's still 10 something. We just finished the working hangout, so I'll just have to print these labels up and then I can get to listing. That'll be good. Okay, all my packages are labeled now and everything, and I decided to grab a different box down today to work through. I've got a couple of these Play Arts figures in here. Like, there's a Wonder Woman right here set to photo. And then I don't know who this guy is. He's scary looking. What the heck is this? Ooh, man, I have your back. Bane. That guy's name is Bane. So I have him. That's a Play Arts figure. And got that Wonder Woman over there I'm going to be listing. Oh, a Catwoman. Ooh, mama. Oh, yeah, with her whip and all that stuff. Look, she even has another face or head or whatever right there. Yeah, man, that's cool. These are cool. And then let's see what else we got. Is this? No, this is not Play Arts. This is a Toys R Us exclusive. Batman with new bat suit. That's a cool looking Batman there. I'm sure that's a lot lower end though. This is from the old TV series, classic TV series. Oh, that's, yeah, look, definitely did not look near as dark back then, did it? This is just from 2014 though, that little action figure there. Let's see what else are we listing here. That's a Spider-Man.
He's getting away, but not for long. I better reload my webs.
Okay, so that works. What else we have? Captain America. Try me. Press star. Oh, this guy. Okay, somebody's been into this one before because I see some batteries down there at the bottom. So he is not new. Somebody's definitely been in this box. But anyway, this is what I'm working on today. Well, that's what I'm going to start with anyway. I should get more than this done. But this will be a nice little start. I have a feeling these Play Arts in the boxes, I don't know. I'm going to guess probably about 40 bucks a piece or somewhere in there. Maybe more, maybe a little less. All right, pretty chill day going on still over here. I'm back from the post office just now, but I did photograph all these figures. I don't think there's anything crazy valuable here except for the play arts are pretty good, but I haven't looked anything up yet. Some of these look, you know, like that's pretty modern. Got like a Superman up here and some other stuff. You know, that's going to be okay stuff, I guess. But I dug this out of a box just now. This came in that last lot of stuff I bought from my guy too. Comes with this G.I. Joe case. This is dated 1984 on the case. And then I've got all these guys, all these action figures. And they look like they're... like I've never sold a G.I. Joe before, but they look like they're in really good shape to me. See, they're not all banged up or anything. You know, not missing paint or anything like that. And a lot of them have accessories. Like, look at this person here. You know, she's in pretty good shape. It looks like she has like a metal detector here. Some kind of... are these mines or something on here? Not sure. But yeah, some of them have accessories and some of them don't. So like this dude has a bird, like a falcon or something it looks like. And you know, like he has a gun. Like he has some kind of, what is that? I don't know what the heck that is. This guy's a baseball player. But he's a GI, but it says G.I. Joe on it. I never really play with G.I. Joes, which is kind of strange. This guy has his hat. This dude has some, he has some binoculars and some other stuff. So yeah, these are pretty interesting. Be fun trying to learn a little bit about these anyway. Okay, gang. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to try and get this video edited and then get stuff listed. And I think we're going to take another look at these guys. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure what the weekend holds in store. The weather has been crappy the past 2 weeks. I'm hoping there's some yard sales that I can go to. You know, I don't need inventory real bad, but I sure wouldn't mind going out and trying to find a few home runs. So, anyways, I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.